Welcome to Matt's Garage. Today we are snapping out the lines for our first floor. So I saw this beautiful sheet of plywood and I thought, Gavin, bring the skateboards. Let's roll around a little bit. It's the last chance we'll get to do this. Unless Mrs. Matt's Garage allows us to ride around on the hardwood later. Do you think
or upstairs.
Fat chance.
Upstairs, fat
Maybe
chance,
upstairs.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, fat
Remember, we're
chance.
supposed to wear socks.
Socks, yes.
Yeah, socks.
So that's it. I mean, we're going to walk around right now and sort of make sure we make any final adjustments before the walls start going up.